Hey everyone, so Worldcoin just blew up. So as you can see, the price increased over 190% over the last week. So I'm just tracking it in crypto.com, and like this app is used in World app, which is one of the apps. I guess it's founded by Sam Altman, which is who is kind of like a founder, obviously co-founder of OpenAI. And you can just claim grants here to reserve Worldcoin. So as you can see, I was just claiming some grants, and you can see already like 76 Worldcoins is already like, the value is like $573. However, as you can see, like you need to you need to verify to claim it, and to verify, unfortunately, you will need to use orb, which is like super annoying because like you just need to verify your world ID with orb, and there are so few orbs around the world. I don't know what's happening. Maybe this price increase will boost people to open up more orbs, but as you can see, like in the whole Germany there are like 7 orbs, and some of those are just not available anymore. So as you can see, that's just what it is. And yep, so that's just basically what you have right now, that it's just not available here. Like in the whole Japan, you can see, all right, in Japan there are more, and like in the whole like United States, there are only like 7. It's like what's like 3 of them are just not available. So I'm just curious what is going on here, why this is happening, and like what's happening. But yeah, basically you can just see. So that's basically the idea. That's just what it is. But yep, anyhow, so there you have that.